we're supposed to be at?
I think so. What a joint.
You said it.
Uh-huh.
Dust.
Dust?
Yeah, too much of it. You can tell why they hired us here. They need us here. Alright, well, drop the tools and let's get to work.
Oh!
Why?
Wait a minute.
What?
Where's the boss?
I don't know. It's over there.
Really?
Hey.
Oh!
Why, you lame brain? Now, where's the boss?
I don't know. I think he left out of town.
Well, that's impossible. He talked to us before we came in here.
Probably he was talking to on the phone.
Phones don't exist in the 1930s, you nitwit.
Yeah, they do. Portable ones.
Well, did he leave any instructions? Anything?
Oh.
Dude.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
What's that all mean?
It's all gibberish to me.
What's it say?
It says, Dear Jim and Vaughn, I'm sorry that I had to leave you with these instructions, but it's for the good of mankind.
You don't know anything about human decency?
I left my pen in my other suit.
Wait, there's more. But if you do this job correctly, you will get paid $1,000 each. $1,000?
Oh boy, that's a good day's pay. Well, what do we have to do?
He says that we have to work in the women's bathroom to fix the plumbing.
The women's bathroom? Looks like you don't know much about human decency either. We
He-
can't be doing that. We'll be breaking the queue.
Exactly. We'll be breaking our P's and Q's.
Don't forget to dot the I.
Oh, certainly. Ow.
Oh, yeah, lame brain.
But he says that's
So what
where...
we do?
But he still says that that's where the main central plumbing is.
The main central plumbing to the whole place is in one women's bathroom? How does that make any sense?
Because it's behind the bathroom. That's what he says right here.
Oh, you're right.
Why'd you rip the note off?
So I can do this.
Talk about a wet one.
Now listen, we need to find this woman's bathroom. Because a stooge is a stooge is a stooge, and that's what we ought to do.
Right.
Right.
Right. Oh!
See, there are no bones in ice cream.
Oh!
You nitwit. What are you? Alright. Now, this seems to be... Well, it seems to be empty for the moment.
Where's our dignity?
Listen to us.
Why,
We're not here to
you
make
won't!
any trouble. Oh!
What if we weren't decent?
We're just here to help fix the plumbing.
That's right.
We're professionals.
Well, we're idiots.
We're supposed to be here. Please, just give us 20 minutes, tops.
Maybe 30.
What did I tell you about butting in? You always gotta get in everybody's way, especially with the girls. What's your problem?
I'm sorry. I'm a ladies' man.
Who are these clowns?
One word wrong with that sentence. Take a guess what it is.
Hey!
You get 20 minutes. If you aren't out of here by then, I'm calling security.
Alright then, miss. We'll get this job done in no time. No time!
No time!
Let's get to work.
Right.
Oh, watch where you're going.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see. Yeah. Why you...
Oh!
Watch it.
Careful with that.
Help me pull on this thing. Come on.
Oh. Oh!
Pull again.
Oh!
Hang on. Boy, you get up in here.
Yeah, fine, I'll do it.
Oh! That should be enough. Alright. Now to get under this pipe here. Give it a quick tap. With your weak, hit it. Oh! Oh, oh, my eye. My eye.
Are you okay?
I'll live, but you won't. Oh! You gas brain. You don't even know how to handle a hammer anymore. Seems to be safe. Come on, let's check the top area.
How's it looking?
Seems to be working just fine. I don't know why they called us here.
Maybe there's a leak in the main quadrant.
Could be the quadrant isn't connected to the volcanical offshoot.
Oh! What happened?
This thing is leaking on off command. I'm not even touching the thing.
That somebody took a dip.
What are you? You lame brain. You go check this out then, fine. You think you're so smart? There you go. How you like that? Go fix that thing.
Alrighty, fine. Hold on.
Here,
Back
here.
away.
What do you think? Think it's working?
I'm diving in.
Ah. Got a minute, you lame brain?
Quiet.
Get up here.
Oh!
You don't know what you're doing here.
Come on, you can't go in there with a sledgehammer.
I know how to fix it. That's why I dived in. Stay out of the way. Wait a minute. Am I doing this right?
What are you doing wrong? Hang on, you pussy willow brain. The water keeps leaking. You can't be down there.
I'm tightening it.
I tried to warn you.
Oh, a fixer, eh? Why you?
Hang on. You're always trying to throw a wrench in our plans. Now listen. There's gotta be a better way of going about this.
Yeah, I think I was going lefty-loosey instead of righty-tighty.
If we can't get this pipe off with the wrench, maybe we'll try this. Come on.
A crowbar.
Ready? Come on. We're getting nowhere fast. I got an idea. Mongoose, grab that sledgehammer. Come down here with me.
Alright.
On the count of 3, hit down on this thing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Are you okay?
Why, you nitwit.
Wait a minute. It was an accident.
It's alright, kid. Mistakes can happen in the best of families. Even the best of duos.
Really?
This sledgehammer's probably just a tad off kilter.
Yeah, it is feeling kind of a bit heavy.
Here, let me have a look. Oh, yeah, I know what you're...
Oh, my neck!
How do you feel now?
Much better.
That's good.
Oh! I was gonna say, you got the nook out of the cranny.
Oh, cranny, you. Now listen.
It's open. Success!
Now...
Do you need this?
No.
Oh!
You lame brain.
How about this?
Perfect. Now we just seal this up.
Hold on.
Now it's just... What are you flopping about?
What if we got the cold water on? I'll give it a small tap to see if the hot water will come through.
Then give it a small tap. What are you flopping about? What are you just standing around for?
Success. Success. Whew, this pool area is hot.
You said it.
Let's take off our jackets.
I'm gonna loosen this up here.
Thank you so much. Do you know how hard it's been to find affordable plumbers in this town?
Oh, it was no problem, miss. We're just doing what we do best.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Oh! You're always lousing things up, aren't you? You see that? Yeah. Oh! You see that? Yeah. Oh! You see that? Oh! Wait, you lame brain.
Gentlemen!
Oh, my pardon, girls. It was delightful to meet both of you. Wee wee! Pardon, wee 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 wee. Wee 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 wee! Oh, I! Oh! Come on, what's the matter with you? See that?
What?
Back on, we got some work to do. Come on.
I can't.
Look what you did to the pipe.
What do you mean?
Oh! Now get another piece of pipe.
Oh, fine.
Let me try to see if I can set this off. Vaughn, get back in here. Vaughn, where are you?
You know something? Your mother and my mother were both mothers.
Oh, really? Never would have guessed.
Come here. Oh! Why, you lame brain, it's steaming in there.
Steaming?
You can't even walk in the... Why, you lame brain. Oh! I get a feel we need to fix that pipe. The boss.
We'll get that pipe fixed and no problemo.
Right. Oh! You moron, wedding.